Good morning children. Today start the class for 3rd standard maths. Previous class you learned for calendar. Calendar is having for month, date, day and year. You denote for format, date, month and year. Once again I revise you. 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 month equal to 30 or 31 days. February month only having for 28 days. Whenever February month is 29, that year is a leap year. So leap year is 366 days. Before that not a leap year in a February month. That one 365 days in a year. 1 year equal to 12 months. So leap year is coming. That year number of days for 366. Leap year is not coming. February month is having 28 days only. That one 365 days in a year. You understand now children? Shall I move now new topic today? Manufacture and expiry date. Manufacture date or date of a manufacture refers to the date which the product is produced. Expiry date or the date expiry refers to the date up to which the product can be used. We should not use a product behind its expiry date. Here, this one is saying for yours, manufacture. Our daily life using the things, you want to go and shop, then buy the things. That time you should check your product item, which one is having the product date for manufacture date and expiry date is having for all the medicines. So medicine is having for expiry date and manufacture date. Then soap is also having the expiry date and manufacture date. Then honey is also having for expiry date and manufacture date. Manufacture and expiry date, this one help to find out the thing that one thing is good or expired. Expired means that one time is completed. After you take that one, that is poison. That is become to poison. Otherwise you used to check before the manufacture to expiry date. Now you have for the year 2020. So this one for 2018 only is completed for manufactured medicine. That one you have to eat? No, this is for poison. This is the expired. The time is completed. So this one not to use in your life now. That's why you check whether to buy the things. That one is expiry date and manufacture date. Having the difference only you use. Otherwise not to buy that one things. You children, now you grown up. You understand this one concept and use in your daily life. Okay. You check first. I give some examples. This one for paste, herbal paste. So here using for batch number, manufacture date, expire date. Now you here for 2020 September month. So here manufacture for 6th month 2020 up to used 5th month 2022. Till this time only you use. After this one is not used. So that's why first you whether to buy the things, before you check this one is expired or not expired. That one expired means you used to in your daily life. Otherwise expired date is completed, don't use. That's why this one given to you. Help to 2020 to 2022 years, between the timing only you use this. Otherwise not use. Okay children, you understand? One more. Here this one is given for packed, this one biscuit 19/7/2020, but not year given for expired time. but here show for best before 6 months from packing. Best before 6 months from packing. Here for 7th month. So after you now here for 9th month only. Okay. Before that 6 month is completed. 7 after you count it up to 6 month. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So December month before that you want to buy and eat this one biscuit. Otherwise after the December don't eat the biscuit. Okay. That why you given this expired. This one is a quality food item. That's why only you take to eat. Otherwise don't take. The next one in your book exercise given for coffee. This one coffee shows your manufacture date and packed date is given here. Look here children, this one for packed for 22/4/2020. So how long to use this? Here given for this note. Check here best before 12 month from packing when stored under dry. So எந்த இடத்துல யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா dry placeல யூஸ் பண்ணணும் 12 month before. So 22/4/20. So this is the packed date. So you use before the 12 month. After 12 month is completed, don't use. So this one is a expired. This is a good quality. So this one to use, no problem for your health. Okay. Look here children. This one is having for manufacture date and packed date. Here given for packing. Packing date is 1/2020. Then you use for here given the command. So 3 years. Before the 3 years only to use for this manufacture from the date. Okay. You understand? Otherwise you use after the 3 years, that one making for some problem. Health skin problem is occurring. So before that you use for before 3 years only. Okay. You understand now where you use the expiry date and packed date. You understand the concept children? Shall I move now in your book exercise? Manufacture and expiry date. So calculate duration between manufacture and expiry date of the product tabulated below. So first one, name of the product honey. Manufacture date for 15/7/2017. So expiry date for 18/9/2019. So before that 17 to 19 till 19 9th month up to 19 only you use to this product. So how many years is here? Count it now. 17, 18, 19. So approximately you say for 2 years. 2 years is here for this one honey product to use. The next one example given to you, cashew nut. 29/12/2005. Here 30/2/2008. So how many years is here? Count it and 5. This one is 8. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 3 years to use this one product. The next one, pickle. Pickle is here given for February month 2018. Then April. January, February, March, April. So how many months is given here? February, March, April. So 2 months only is there. Coffee powder, August, then November. Say the number order for January, February, June, July, August, September, October, November. August, September, October, November. So totally how many months? 4 months. The next one, badam milk powder, February 19th, then March 19th. So this one is a milk product. So this one given for only 1 month, January, February, March. So only 1 month duration only this one given for year to before you use. Okay children, you understand the concept now? This one duration between the time only you want to buy. So 17 is manufacture. So up to 19 only you to buy. Then use this product. 2005 to 8, 3 years only time duration. Then next one February 18. So February, March, April. So 3 month. This one 3 month to buy and use this. Then next one coffee powder 4 month. Then badam milk is using for only 1 month. You understand this concept children? The next one, page number 75, calendar sum. This one, calculate the number of days in the first 5 months of a leap year. Then 2016, 2020 and the ordinary year 2018 and 2023. So given the question for leap year for 2016 and 20. So I year classified for leap year 2016 and 20. Then ordinary year for 2018 and 2023. So you know the month having the days. January month is having for 31 days. February month is having for 28. Then leap year for 29 days. Then March month is 31. April is 30. May is 31. June is 30. So these 5 months only you arrange here. January, February, March, April, May. So here given the question for first 5 months only you arrange the days. So I write it here. 31 days. Year for leap year. So write 29. Then 31. 30. Then 31. This one same for year for 2020 is also. So 31 March, April 30, May 31. The next one, ordinary month is having for January is no changes, 31 days. Only change for February month. So this is the 28 days. March is 31, April is 30, May is 31. The next one, year, this one for ordinary year. So you write 31 days, 28 days, then 31, 30, 31 days. So you understand now ordinary year or leap year. So leap year means February month is having for 29 days. Ordinary means February month have for 28 days. So this is the difference. You understand now? This one manufacture and expiry date is using for date and month and year. This one easy to use to find out where to use in your daily life. That's why using for this one calendar topic under this one manufacture and expiry date. Okay, you understand the concept children? Month of the year you studied children. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. You studied this well children. This one help you easy to find out the manufacture date and the expiry date. Then you find out the days also. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay children. Thank you.